Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Check Windows Update and reboot if updates are pending, because pending patches can block driver installs. Once done, create a system restore point and export current drivers as a safety net so you can roll back if needed. Next, open Device Manager and locate the device with the error code. This tells you which driver to target. Make sure to note the exact name and hardware ID. This guides precise driver selection and prevents installing the wrong package. You now fetch and install the correct driver. Start at the device maker's support page, match your exact model and hardware ID, and download the signed, stable release. Signed drivers reduce Windows blocking. Before installing, open Device Manager, uninstall the current driver, and check delete the driver software for this device if it's corrupted. Then run the installer as administrator. If it's an INF package, use Update Driver, browse My Computer, and point to the extracted folder to install cleanly. To finish, restart the PC and confirm the device shows no error in Device Manager. Test its functionality. If problems persist, roll back the driver from Device Manager or use your system restore point to revert system state. This undoes harmful changes quickly. For stubborn graphics or deep driver conflicts, boot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller, to wipe traces before reinstalling. If you still hit errors, check Event Viewer for driver-specific logs, and share that info when seeking further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.